We believe and we value Africa's voice on the globe, including at United Nations, the OIC and the African Union. Pakistan also has a long and proud history of contributing towards peace and stability of the African continent. Since 1960s, Mr. Chairman, Pakistan has remained a leading contributor to the UN peacekeeping and peace-building efforts in Africa. Many Pakistani peacekeepers laid their lives while ensuring the safety and security of our African brothers and sisters as part of the UN peacekeeping operations. Mr. Chairman, Africa is on the rise with robust economic growth. In recognition of the rising significance of Africa, Pakistan launched the Engage Africa policy. This policy is aimed at enhancing Pakistan's diplomatic footprint across the continent and strengthen cooperation in all domains, including political, economic, security, educational, and cultural. Mr. Chairman, under this policy, we have expanded our diplomatic presence in African nations and opened new missions in Rwanda, Ghana, Uganda, Djibouti, and Ivory Coast. This is not just a foreign policy reorientation in Pakistan, but our strategic partnership agenda for the 21st century, signaling our determination to build stronger, more meaningful ties with our African brothers and sisters. Mr. Chairman, today in the Senate of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, a landmark resolution is being adopted, reaffirming our strong conviction that Africa is the continent of the future. The resolution will recall upon the government of Islamic Republic of Pakistan to re-inaugurate our engagement with African nations across all domains. It further would recommend the 25th of May as Pakistan-Africa Friendship Day to be commemorated annually. Mr. Chairman, I would also like to highlight that the parliamentary friendship groups have played a pivotal role in strengthening Pakistan-Africa relations. Established on a reciprocal basis in the parliaments, these groups serve as a vital instrument of parliamentary diplomacy across the African continent and Pakistan. Mr. Chairman, as the continent of the future, Africa is the world's youngest continent, home to over 1.6 billion people, a rapidly urbanizing population, and growing consumer market. Its collective GDP, which stands around 2.8 trillion as of now, is expected to surpass 3 trillion in the very near future, driven by digital innovation, resource wealth, and a growing middle class. Mr. Chairman, Pakistan's total trade with African countries remains much below its real potential, averaging just around $5 billion annually.